Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can still play the Wasp Dungeon event from the Bizzy Bee Event update and grow a garden game of Roblox latest update. So guys, the Bizzy Bee Event update is over now, but don't worry because the Bizzy Bee Event is now permanent. So if you want to access it, simply switch back to your B slot and you will be able to continue playing it anytime. For the main event right now, it's the summer camp event and you can play it here. Basically, this event is very simple. You just need to burn your fruits and your plants to keep the campfire alive, and then you can do crafting right here for the new seeds and new egg. And if you want to play the Wasp Dungeon, guys, just switch your garden. You can go to the save slot right here and select the Bizzy Bee, and it will bring you to the Bizzy Bee event in Grow a Garden. Okay, and you can play the Wasp Dungeon here, right here, guys. I'm really glad because this event is permanent, because this event is very fun. Okay, this is for the Wasp Dungeon. If you want to play it, just simply switch to the honey garden or the bee garden, and you can still access the honey shop and the incubator, and yeah, you can access everything here. And if you want to play it, just switch your garden to the Bizzy Bee garden. Okay guys, and that's how we can play the Wasp Dungeon event from Bizzy Bee event in Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!